In this problem, number 8, you have a function that's given to you and you are asked to find the slope of the tangent line, in other words, derivative, don't forget, at the point of x equals 2. Okay, so it's not talking about something very general. It talks about a very specific point. And then they say, okay, once you know the slope of the tangent line, why don't you just find the tangent line? So let's go ahead and carry out my calculation. So first, the slope, according to the definition, it is going to be limit h approaches 0 f of x plus h minus f of x over h. However, be super careful here. The problem did say I want x to be exactly 2. So technically, your problem should have been limit h approaches 0 and it's f of 2 plus h minus f of 2, okay, over h. And this 2 was given in your problem. So it's just a matter of doing the calculation now. F of 2 is quite easy to find, which is 5. F of 2 plus h is 9 minus 2 plus h squared, which is 9 minus 4 plus 4h plus h squared, which is 5 minus 4h minus h squared. So my numerator is supposed to be limit h approaches 0, where I have 5 minus 5h minus h squared, and then this is my first term minus my 5, and then divided by my h, h, and therefore it's supposed to be the same as limit h approaches 0. The 5 cancels out, negative 4h minus h squared over h, so it's supposed to limit h approaches 0. If you factor out the h from the numerator, so this is what you end up with, and if h were 0, you end up with negative 4, so that's what I have as my answer for the first problem. So those are my two answers. And the next thing is they ask you to find the equation of the tangent line, which means you need not just the function value, you would also need to know, not just the derivative, you also need to know the function value, which you found earlier. So the point is supposed to be 2, 5. Your slope, you found it already, is negative 4. So you have y minus 4 equals negative 4x minus 2. Except the question asks, could you tell me what's y equals? So you want to move this term to the other side. So it's negative 4x minus 2 plus 5. If you want to simplify it a little bit further, you can, but I think it's not required. So this is my final answer for the second question.